Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2004 Honda VTX1800C. This gorgeous metallic titanium with tribal flames paint scheme. Big bore V-Twin just arrived with only 19,000 miles. 2 brand new tires, a quick release touring windscreen, passenger backrest. This fuel injected V-Twin shaft drive 1800 is ready to make your big bore dreams come true. Really has fantastic curb appeal. Come on by, check it out. Only $69.99. We have financing. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Oh yeah, it's got some really loud banging. Yeah, baby. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.